love a matching set. You can't go wrong with a matching set. The Preppy Vibes 3-piece sweater pant set. Today we're going to be doing a Fashion Nova unboxing. Yeah, who doesn't like to see what things actually look like when they show up off the internet? Preppy Vibes 3-piece sweater pant set in the size extra large and the color khaki combo. And I got this really cute chain. Like a starfish. I'm so excited for this too. Okay. So here's how the set looks on. Honestly, I love it and I don't have any complaints. It is super cute. It's incredibly comfortable. I plan to wear this as my new airport outfit going forward. And I'm around 5'2.5", so the pants are a little long.